how to put table next to table in Google Docs, or you can say how to put a two table together in Google Docs. So in this video tutorial I'm going to show you the trick how you can insert two table side by side in Google Docs. So let's start with the video, guys. Before we start, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let me open Google Docs. Okay guys, so here I'm on my browser, so I just open the Google Docs here. So I take new one to show you properly. Okay, so here, okay, first we need to insert one table here. Okay, so I just insert, go to the tools, so go to the insert, go to the table, and I have to take the two row. Okay, I have to take two row, or you can say column. Okay, now we click on under this one first table, or you can say table a row. You have to click on this first row, and now go to again the insert and go to table. Now we can take table as I want. Okay, again I have to click on second row, go to the insert, and now we need to select our second table. Now we can see this table now side by side. Now what you need to do, we have to select this border of first two row which we had insert, and click on this icon and go to the, okay, just select the table and go this property and click, this is borderline, and go to the 0 pt, and again you have to select this table and again go to the 0 pt. Okay, now you can see these two table now we have in side by side. Okay, you can increase decrease the size. Okay, I hope you like this video. Please subscribe and thank you for watching.